gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do my water slide and how I prep them to put them on tumblers. I use two different types of triple thick crystal clear. So this is a triple thick crystal clear glaze from Krylon. This is my go-to one. If they're out of stock of this one, then I will look for the Rust-Oleum triple thick glaze clear. So these two are really good. I never liked the I think there was a Mod Podge one and there's another brand, but these two actually work for me. So I'm gonna use the Krylon one, which is my fave. And what I do is I spray a generous amount of triple thick on it, and then I just let it dry. I usually put it in front of my dryer, my tumbler dryer. But if for those that don't have a tumbler dryer, just let it sit for about, I would say about 15 minutes and just let it dry. But I use a generous amount and I only have to do it once. And they come out so easily off the paper, like if it was a tattoo paper. Okay, so here we go. So I will let those sit there usually. Okay, usually there's like a glossy thing. I don't know what's going on. Okay, that's good. So yeah, I usually just do that first spray that I did. I usually do it like that, but I don't know, the humidity over here is kind of like funky today. So, but usually it's enough to do the that one generous spray, and that's all I do. And then I will show you guys afterwards, once it's dry, how easily it comes off the paper. All right, okay, so I am back and we're gonna go ahead and put this water slide on this tumbler here. So first I usually just stick it in the water like this for a couple of seconds or minutes, maybe about a minute, and I take a rag. I try to use the strongest paper towels like Bounty or Brownie, and I wet the surface where I'm gonna go place the water slide in. If you hear background noises, it's because I'm out in the patio. It's just really beautiful outside. So I'm gonna put that there. Let that soak up some water. And the type of water slide paper that I am using is called Sunnyscopa. I get it on Amazon, and this is probably my third water slide that I've tried and I've stuck to, because I just love the way it comes right off. It does not bleed, doesn't crack, and it's a lot easier to handle. Usually I mirror my image and then just put it upside down and then it come right off. But in this case I didn't do it. But let me show you how easy it comes off. Just like that. And then I'll take some water and put it on here, just to position it. And this looks pretty much even. Oh, and then I forgot my dry paper towel. Give me 1 second. then I take the dry one and take off all the little bubbles that are in here and just smooth them out, because that's water underneath the decal from putting water on the tumbler. So I already went ahead and took most of it out, but I just wanted you guys to see how easy it was for the water slide with that paper and my technique that I use. Instead of waiting 15 minutes for the sealant to dry and then spray it again and spray it again. They recommend like 3 times to spray it, when you can just do a big generous amount of it and it'll work. So there she is.